This is Daniel Fernback with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey, standing here in front of the Sea Ray 250 SDX. Let's go take a look. First thing you'll notice, you have a manual swim platform, Bravo 3 drive. Stepping aboard, you have a nice gray sea deck. Very large lounger area for 3 to 4 people. Backrest easily flips over. Cup holders everywhere for the creature comforts. Wraparound seating for when you're moving. Area for a table to pop up. Over at the helm, you're going to have a digital throttle, active trim, all your gauges, and then probably the nicest feature, area to get the kids out of the sun if you want. You have a pump out head, cushion that folds down to make an entire platform. Moving forward, instead of walking through the center, you have a side walkway, extremely deep, safe for the kids. Now you have room for 6, 7 people, or you can lounge out, have a filler cushion, cooler up at the bow. Again, you're gonna have USB ports and 12 volt, and you're also gonna have the cup holders, speakers, full windshield that comes across, subwoofer, no shortage of speakers. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough on the Sea Ray 250 SDX. Please give me a call if you have any questions or like to schedule an appointment.